How to Invest in Real Estate is an independent, impartial introduction to property investment. This self-paced one-day online training course covers all the essential fundamentals, the things that you need to know before you start investing, how investments work, how they generate returns, and how you should measure performance. But it also outlines the potential downsides of investing in real estate, the different ways where you can lose money, and what you can do to minimize those risks, no matter what type of investment you decide to make. The course also provides you with an amazingly powerful toolkit, calculators, scorecards, and smart spreadsheets to help you on your investment journey, to give you a clear understanding of your situation and goals, the ability to easily analyze and compare investment opportunities, and to see how they really perform, and whether they'll meet the goals of your personal plans. So why don't you take the next step? Equip yourself to be smarter, more informed, and ready to succeed. Sign up now and get started.